Hi everyone, Elena here. Welcome to today's video. If you've landed here, you're probably curious about a supplement called the Pineal Guardian. You might be wondering, does the Pineal Guardian really work? Is it safe? Is it even worth buying? Well, in this video, I'll share everything you need to know about the Pineal Guardian, including important alerts that most people won't tell you. So make sure to stick with me until the end, especially if you're considering making a purchase. Also, just a quick heads up, I've left the link to the official website for the Pineal Guardian in the description box below, in case you want to check it out after watching this. But I highly recommend you watch this full video before clicking anything. So let's get into it. The Pineal Guardian is a powerful, all-natural brain health supplement. It's specifically designed to support cognitive function, memory, and mental clarity, and it focuses on one of the most important glands in your brain, the pineal gland. This tiny gland is crucial for regulating mood, sleep cycles, and even your spiritual well-being. The formula includes a proprietary blend of high-quality natural ingredients like pine bark extract, ginkgo biloba, lion's mane mushroom, and other plant-based compounds. These ingredients are known for their neuroprotective and antioxidant properties, which help clear away toxins and reduce brain fog. One of the great things about the Pineal Guardian is how easy it is to use. Just add one dropper to your favorite morning beverage, whether it's coffee, tea, or a smoothie, and you're good to go. For best results, it's recommended to use it consistently for at least 3 months to see real improvements in focus, sleep quality, and overall mental clarity. This supplement is manufactured in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility in the USA, which means it follows strict safety and quality standards. Plus, it's 100% natural, non-GMO, and free from harmful additives or synthetic chemicals, making it a safe choice for most people. But here's a very important alert. The Pineal Guardian is only sold through its official website. A lot of people have been scammed by buying fake versions on Amazon, eBay, and other online marketplaces. To avoid that risk, make sure you're getting it from the official website only. I've already added the link in the description below to make it easier for you. So that's my quick review of the Pineal Guardian. If you're looking for a natural, effective way to support your brain health and mental clarity, this could be the right supplement for you. Don't forget, the official link is in the description and the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.